Narendra Modi.
No.
No, he said he used to sell tea in the road.
A tree?
Huh?
Tree, maybe?
No. What's up, guys? So today I'm here in Limecraft. I'll be asking few tricky questions to the public. If they want to make it more interesting, they can put the money on, and I'm gonna give them 10 times the money that they put on. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution?
Ambedkar.
Oh, nice, nice. Who designed Indian flag?
Indian flag was designed by Indian skip.
तेरे बस की बात नहीं.
What goes up never come down.
What goes up and never come down.
Okay, let's.
Things that goes up and never comes down.
Yeah. Want a script?
Wait, let me give it time to
Okay,
think. Yeah.
sure, no problem.
There's pressure here.
What goes up never comes down.
H.
H. Okay, get it right. You get it right. What goes up but never comes down?
H. What?
H. Correct. So.
Minnesota Evolution, zero.
No.
I'm telling them, to leave me alone and make me try by myself.
Okay, let's switch the other side. Yeah, like that. Okay, so next questions. What is useful when you crack it?
Huh?
What is useful when it's already cracked?
Egg.
Oh, 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
Okay. First Prime Minister of India.
First Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes.
We studied that in class 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Easy question.
Yes. Which state's MP has the highest seats? Which states has the highest MP seats?
MP seats.
Yeah.
Delhi.
Nah, wrong. Who is the first uneducated Prime Minister in India?
Uneducated Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Let me think. It cannot be Abdul Kalam. It cannot be Abdul Kalam. Modi.
Wrong.
I only need to answer one, right?
Yeah, answer one more. Okay. Costliest gate in Meghalaya.
Costliest gate in Meghalaya.
Yes.
We are not from Meghalaya actually, but I'll try.
Yeah, please go ahead, try.
Shillong Gate.
No. Which state has the lowest
Either
literacy
Tamil
rate
Nadu
in India?
or Goa. Tamil Nadu.
Sorry, wrong.
Sorry. Yeah.
Which state has the highest MP seat in India?
What's MPC?
Member of Parliament.
Member of Parliament. Maharashtra or Bihar? Yeah, Kerala. Bihar.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay, correct. That's one correct one. So who is the first uneducated minister in India?
Uneducated?
Who is the first uneducated minister in India?
Narendra Modi.
Wrong. Who is the first uneducated Prime Minister of India?
Uneducated Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Narendra Modi.
Incorrect. It's useful when you crack it.
What is useful when you crack it?
Yes.
When it's not cracked, it's not useful.
It's not useful.
Egg.
Correct. That's right. That's right, bro. Okay. Which is the costliest gate in Meghalaya?
Costliest gate.
In Meghalaya.
Colgate.
If you think about
Colgate.
costliest gate in Meghalaya.
What?
Costliest gate in Meghalaya. Like this kind of gate. Costliest gate in Meghalaya.
I don't know. Colgate.
Two people already said me Colgate. Cleanest city in Northeast.
City.
In Northeast.
Can we guess?
Yeah, guess. Go ahead. Yeah.
Nagaland. Konomai, Nagaland.
No. It's Guwahati.
What?
Sure?
I got to read that one. But, so in the
So,
memes.
cleanest city in Northeast.
Cleanest city in Northeast. Arunachal Pradesh?
No. Do you know that's Guwahati?
Guwahati it is?
Guwahati, it's called the cleanest city in
Maybe according to
Northeast.
the stats only, because in practical life it's not.
बात तो सही है. दौड़ना तो पड़ता है.
Makes sense, yeah.
Meghalaya is better than that.
So, who is the father of Indian Constitution? Two more. I mean, my bad.
Father of Indian Constitution.
Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Correct. Who is the first uneducated Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
No.
No, he said he used to sell tea in the road.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई? क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
First Prime Minister of India.
First Prime Minister of India.
Yes.
I just said B.R. Ambedkar already, right? B.R.
B.R.
Ambedkar
Ambedkar.
wasn't the first Prime Minister. It was something doctor. No. The one with that pagdi. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct, bro. Correct, correct. What goes up but never comes down?
What goes up?
But never comes down.
What goes up but never comes down?
this before. A tree?
Huh?
Tree, maybe?
No. No, it's age.
Oh, yeah!
Age. What is useful when it is crack? What is useful when it is crack?
Egg.
Oh, correct. Nice one. You got one correct. Okay. So, first Prime Minister of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct, bro. Nice one. How many you got correct? 3, right?
2.
2. Okay. Which state has the highest MP seat in India?
MP seat.
MP seat, yeah.
UP.
Correct. Uttar Pradesh. You have 4 correct. Which state has the lowest literacy rate in India?
Lowest literacy. Bihar.
Correct, bro. Wow, nice. You got all 5 correct. If you want to bet the money on you, okay, okay, thank you so much for playing, guys.